So rude. No, I wasn't laughing at you. That was them.
I'm not laughing at
Yeah,
you.
that's not me. I would never. Your Uncle Sean's gonna laugh at you when you get hiccups. You will. Yeah.
But at the same time, they keep her awake. It's true, but...
Yeah, so we get to see your eyes more.
She's like, ugh.
Yeah.
We're not over yet.